Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my 7th of 100 video daily video task from our beloved director Mr. Dedi Gunawan. So in this video I would like to tell you about my activity to study my majority lesson, that is IT, or specifically programming. We call it here in IDN Polytechnic is TRL. So I got tips from my mentor about how to study programming or code. So the first is adaptation or introduction. So we need to watch or read some documentation or lesson. Just watch or read, don't practice it before. That makes you familiar with the code or the syntax of the languages. For the example, I want to learn HTML. In the first, I open the YouTube and searching how to study HTML. So when I find content creator that teach about HTML, I just watch without this first, and then after we getting knowledge from that video, we go to the second step, that is practice with it. So you can learning by project too. For the example, you search from the YouTube how to make a website, how to build a website for HTML, and then practice with it. Practice from it. For the example, I want to build a portfolio website, so I searching portfolio website and I copy or do copycat from the YouTube video to my Visual Studio Code or my text editor, and then it's not just like you copy from the video to your text editor, but you must to know what purpose of the syntax, what purpose of that syntax, so you can grow your knowledge too. And then after the second step done, you can go to the third step to explore with that language, explore about the syntax and the features of the language, and do more practice. Yes, there are 3 steps. For the first is introduction to the language without practice, and then practice by learning project, and then explore with it. And that's it from me. Thank you for watching my video. And last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.